This 70% isopropyl alcohol strikes an excellent balance between cleaning power and evaporation speed, so it stays on surfaces long enough to dissolve oils and grime thoroughly. Its formulation works reliably on a wide range of materials, from glass and stainless steel to many electronics housings, making it a genuinely multi-purpose cleaner for home, lab, and shop. The solution meets recognized pharmaceutical purity standards, so it feels reassuringly consistent and free from the off odors or residues sometimes found in lower-grade alternatives. For more demanding tasks like panel preparation, resin cleanup from three-dimensional printing, or nail gel removal, it performs with the strength and predictability expected in professional environments. The 2-gallon quantity is practical for frequent users, reducing how often you need to reorder while providing enough volume for both everyday wipe downs and heavier solvent jobs. Being produced in the United States with clearly listed ingredients adds confidence in the product's quality control and traceability.